Sit with me for a second. This one needs to settle deep. It's wild how you can carry a neighborhood on your back. How you can stretch your last dollar across somebody else's emergency. How you can show up at 2 a.m. for a crisis that ain't yours. And then 2 years later they'll swear you never did a thing for them. They'll say you were doing too much. They'll say we never asked you. They'll rewrite the entire movie and cut you from the script, like you were an extra in a story you produced. And the part that stings, not that they forgot, but that you remembered everything. Every sacrifice, every silent prayer, every moment you held it down while your own world was cracking. That's why you're triggered. Because your heart wasn't built for conditional memory. You give fully, and they give when convenient. So tonight, breathe slow. Shoulders loose. Let this truth land.
I don't regret loving loud. I regret expecting people to echo it.
You were raised on loyalty, they were raised on convenience.
But listen, their forgetfulness is not your obituary. Your kindness is not wasted. Your generosity is not erased. And you do not need confirmation to validate your contribution.
Say this softly like you're talking to the mirror and your younger self at the same time.
Everything I gave was real, even when their gratitude wasn't.
Release their memory, keep your integrity. What they forgot made room for what you're about to remember about yourself.